Dr. Francesca Isabel Bunyi is a practicing OB/GYN in South Imus Specialist Hospital every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. She will address your concerns regarding female reproductive health, pregnancy and childbirth, preconception care, prenatal care, postpartum care, breastfeeding, family planning, sex education, menstrual irregularities, polycystic ovary syndrome, dysmenorrhea, gynecologic infections, sexually transmitted infections, gynecologic tumors, feminine hygiene, menopause, immunization for women.
Hi, I'm Dr. Francesca Isabel, Bunyi, an obstetrician gynecologist. I hold my clinic here in South Imus Specialist Hospital every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. You may visit me for a prenatal checkup,